Welcome to Trend Auto World, where power meets passion and legends are born. Before we unleash today's unstoppable beast, I've got a quick favor to ask. We know thousands of you love our content, but many still haven't hit that subscribe button. If you're someone who craves speed, power, and cutting-edge automotive innovation, don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the game with the most electrifying car content on the internet. Now, let's talk about today's machine. This isn't just a car, it's a force of nature. A masterpiece that blends raw power, breathtaking design, and mind-blowing technology into one unstoppable package. This monster wasn't built to just exist, it was built to rule the road. With blistering acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and an engine that roars like thunder, this car is a pure adrenaline rush on four wheels. Whether you're a speed addict, a luxury enthusiast, or a die-hard gearhead, this machine isn't just turning heads, it's rewriting the rules of performance. So strap in, hold on tight, and get ready for a heart-pounding ride, because we're about to take you deep into the world of this high-performance legend. Let's dive in. Apocalypse 6x6 design, high performance, and tire specifications. The Apocalypse 6x6 is an extreme off-road vehicle designed to combine ruggedness, luxury, and high performance. It is based on the Jeep Gladiator, but heavily modified with an extra axle, reinforced chassis, and enhanced powertrain, making it a beast for both off-road adventures and urban dominance. The Apocalypse 6x6 features an aggressive and muscular design that sets it apart from standard off-road vehicles. Key design elements include extended body and extra axle. The vehicle is stretched to accommodate 6 wheels, providing improved stability and traction. Custom front fascia, a steel bumper, LED light bars, and a redesigned grille give it an intimidating front end. High ground clearance. Thanks to a heavy-duty suspension system, the Apocalypse 6x6 towers over most SUVs and trucks, making it ideal for extreme terrains. Heavy-duty rear bed. Some versions come with a Kevlar-coated truck bed for added durability. Luxury interior. Despite its rugged exterior, the interior is fitted with leather seats, a high-tech infotainment system, and premium materials for comfort. #high performance. The Apocalypse 6x6 is known for its exceptional power and off-road capabilities. It is available with different engine options, including supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8, producing over 700 horsepower for extreme performance. 6.4-liter Hemi V8, a naturally aspirated option for a balance of power and durability. 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a fuel-efficient option with high torque, ideal for off-road crawling. Performance highlights: 0 to 100 km/h acceleration can reach 100 km/h in under 6 seconds, depending on the engine. Top speed, approximately 170 to 190 km/h, which is impressive for a 6x6 truck. Towing capacity, over 7,000 pounds, 3,175 kilograms, making it suitable for hauling heavy loads. Water fording capability. Thanks to its high suspension, the Apocalypse 6x6 can handle deep water crossings. All-wheel drive, 6W. Power is distributed to all 6 wheels for maximum traction in rough conditions. Tire functions, diameter, and width. One of the most important features of the Apocalypse 6x6 is its custom-built tires, designed for extreme off-road use. Tire functions. The oversized off-road tires provide maximum traction. Deep aggressive tread patterns allow for superior grip on mud, sand, and rocky terrain. Shock absorption. The tires, combined with the advanced suspension, help smooth out rough rides. Self-cleaning tread. The design allows dirt and mud to be ejected, preventing loss of traction. Tire diameter and width. Diameter up to 40 inches, 101 centimeters, much larger than standard truck tires. Width ranges from 13.5 to 15 inches, 34 to 38 centimeters, providing a broad footprint for stability. Wheel size. Typically, 20-inch custom alloy wheels are fitted for both strength and style. The Apocalypse 6x6 is an elite off-road machine that blends aggressive design, high power, and top-tier tire performance. With its 6-bobby-D system, massive wheels, and powerful engine options, it is built for those who demand unmatched capability and style on any terrain. Apocalypse 6x6, detailed specifications, and overview. The Apocalypse 6x6 is a high-performance off-road monster truck designed for extreme terrains and rugged adventures. Built by Apocalypse Manufacturing, this beast is based on the Jeep Gladiator but significantly modified with six-wheel drive, a reinforced chassis, and a powerful engine to handle the toughest conditions. 1. Vehicle dimensions. Approximately 85 inches to 159 millimeters. Length, around 240 inches, 6,096. Ground clearance, roughly 20 inches, 508 millimeters, depending on the suspension setup and tire size. The massive dimensions of the Apocalypse 6x6 give it an aggressive stance, providing superior off-road capability and making it one of the most commanding vehicles on the road. 2. Seating capacity. The Apocalypse 6x6 comes with a 5-passenger seating configuration, offering ample space for both driver and passengers. The seats are designed with premium leather, ensuring maximum comfort, even on the roughest terrains. 3. Cargo capacity, trunk space. The cargo bed of the Apocalypse 6x6 is significantly extended compared to a standard Jeep Gladiator, offering a large carrying capacity for gear, supplies, or heavy loads. Although the exact cargo volume varies based on customization, it is much larger than conventional pickup trucks, making it ideal for off-road expeditions and utility purposes. Additional features. Engine options. Available with multiple powertrains, including a Hellcat 6.2-liter supercharged V8 producing over 700 hop, or a turbo diesel for better fuel efficiency. Transmission. 8-speed automatic transmission with 6-wheel drive capability for superior off-road performance. Suspension. High-performance off-road suspension with adjustable lift kits for improved ground clearance. Tires. Large off-road tires designed for sand, mud, snow, and rocky terrain. Design. A rugged, armored-style body with custom LED lighting, reinforced bumpers, and a roll cage. The Apocalypse 6x6 is an ultimate off-road machine, combining brute power, extreme durability, and luxurious comfort. Its massive size, high ground clearance, and exceptional cargo space make it perfect for those who demand an unstoppable vehicle for adventure, utility, or military-style performance. Competitors and competition. The Apocalypse faces competition from other high-performance luxury off-road vehicles, particularly those known for their rugged designs, luxury features, and off-road capabilities. Notable competitors include 1. Hummer EV, an electric off-road vehicle with strong military influences and off-road performance. 2. Mercedes-Benz G-Class G-Wagon. Known for its off-road prowess and luxury features, the G-Class has been a direct competitor in terms of performance and luxury. 3. Land Rover Defender, another luxury off-road vehicle with a rugged design and impressive performance. 4. Ford Bronco Raptor, a high-performance version of the Bronco capable of tough off-roading. 5. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, a more affordable option but with strong off-road credentials that appeal to a similar market. Popularity and distribution. The Rezvani Tank Apocalypse is primarily popular in regions with high demand for luxury off-road vehicles and in countries where extreme weather conditions or rough terrains are common. Some of the most significant markets include United States, the largest market for the Apocalypse, particularly among enthusiasts and those seeking extreme off-road performance combined with luxury. Middle East, countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, where off-roading is a popular activity and vehicles with extreme capabilities are in high demand. Russia, known for harsh weather conditions and vast landscapes, Russia is another significant market for the Apocalypse and similar armored vehicles. Australia. With its large off-road terrain, Australia also has a demand for robust off-road vehicles. Market price. The price of the Rezvani Tank Apocalypse varies significantly based on the level of customization and the specific features added to the vehicle. The starting price typically ranges from $150,000 to $200,000, but highly customized models with additional armor, advanced technology, and luxury features can push the price higher. This makes it a niche luxury vehicle targeted at wealthy buyers looking for both luxury and extreme off-road performance.